Cooper Flagg is an American basketball player. Flagg was born in Newport, Maine and initially attended Nokomis Regional High School. Flagg was selected to play in the 2024 McDonald's All-American Boys game. On March 27, 2024, Flagg was named the Gatorade National Player of the Year. Flagg's mother, Kelly, played college basketball at Maine where she was a team captain as a senior. His father Ralph played NJCAA basketball at Eastern Maine Community College. Flagg has a twin brother Ace who was a teammate at Nokomis and transferred to Montverde. Flagg's older brother Hunter was also a Nokomis basketball player and was a senior when the former was a freshman. He became the first freshman to be named the Maine Gatorade Player of the Year after averaging 20.5 points, 10 rebounds, 6.2 assists, 3.7 steals and 3.7 blocks per game. Nokomis won the Class A state championship with Flagg scoring 22 points and grabbing 16 rebounds in a 43-27 win against Falmouth High School in the state final. Flagg transferred to Montverde Academy in Montverde, Florida at the end of his freshman year of high school. Prior to the beginning of his first year at the school, he played in the Nike Elite Youth Basketball League (EYBL) for the Florida Eagles, an amateur athletic union team affiliated with Montverde. Flagg was named the MVP of the 2023 Hopeful Classic after scoring 21 points with 5 steals, 5 rebounds and 3 assists in Montverde's 85-63 victory over La Lumiere Academy. He also was named a semi-finalist for the Naismith Player of the Year award. Flagg averaged 9.8 points, 5.2 rebounds and 3 assists per game in his first season at Montverde.